Lion vs. Tiger, Eagle, and Twist. One day, the king of the jungle, the lion, the mighty tiger, and the clever eagle met at a clearing. Each one believed they were the strongest and most powerful in the jungle. The lion said, "I am the strongest. I am the king of the jungle. When I roar, all animals tremble in fear." The tiger said, "Yes, but I am the fastest. No one can outrun me, not even you, lion." The eagle said, "Both of you are strong, but the sky belongs to me. I can see everything from above, and no one can fly as high or as fast as I can." The argument continued until they decided to have a contest to see who was truly the strongest. The lion said, "Come, let's fight and see who the real king of the jungle is." The tiger said, "I will show you the power of my speed." The eagle said, "From the skies, I will strike you both." The lion, tiger, and eagle are going to fighting ground. Let's go! The lion and tiger charged at each other with all their might. The tiger was fast, dodging the lion's powerful paws, but the lion's strength was overwhelming. Meanwhile, the eagle circled overhead, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. The lion said, "Tiger, you may be fast, but you cannot escape my strength." The tiger said, "Ha ha ha." The tiger said, "Strength is nothing without speed. Catch me if you can." Suddenly, the eagle swooped down with great speed, aiming for the lion's back. But the lion noticed and swiftly moved aside. The tiger tried to take advantage of the distraction. But the lion roared and turned to face him again. Just as the fight was getting intense, an old wise elephant entered the scene. The lion, tiger, and eagle paused, realizing the wisdom in the elephant's words. They felt ashamed of their fight. The lion said, "You're right, we all have our strengths, and together, we are stronger." The tiger said, "I agree. There's no need to fight, let's work together." The eagle said, "Together, we can protect the jungle better than fighting amongst ourselves." And so, the three decided to become friends and protect the jungle together, each using their unique strengths. Moral, unity, and respect for each other's strengths are more important than proving who is stronger. Together, we can achieve more. The end. Thank you for watching.